So ayan, ang video pong ito ay kuha pa po nung umuwi po tayo ng probinsya ng Bicol. So yung nakikita nyo pong palayan ay pag-aari po yan ng aking ate. Iba po yan doon sa nauna kong na-upload na video na palayan. Mas malaki po yun. Ito po sa kapatid ko po ito. Yan, medyo maliit lang po. Yung dulo pong bahagi nun ay nipaan na po yun. Yung kapatid ko naman pong lalaking sumunod sa akin yung kumukuha po ng produkto doon. Sila po yung gumagawa ng pawid at binibenta din po. Ayan. So yan, malapit na po silang mag-ani. Maganda na po yung mga bunga ng palay. So baka po mamaya is pumunta rin po tayo ng bayan. Sasamahan ko po yung aking isang kapatid na nagtitinda po ng mga ulam. Mamimili po siya sa bayan po ng Daraga. May night market po kasi doon. Mura po yung mga gulay, mga sariwa. Kaya doon po sila namimili. So maliban po doon sa palayan, karugtong pa po itong lupa na ito doon sa lupa po nung kapatid ko. Ayan, meron din pong mga nyog. Ayan, yan din po ang kanilang napuproduktuhan. Mga iba pa pong puno, may mga saging. So ayan, papunta naman kami ng Daraga. Dito na po kami sa may Albay Cathedral. Yan. Madadaanan po talaga ito galing po sa amin. Ayan. Ito po ang tapat ng simbahan po ng Albay. Tatawid po tayo dito. Papunta po tayo doon sa kabilang kalsada para po makasakay tayo ng jeep papunta pong Daraga. Ayan. Parokya po yan ni San Gregorio Magno.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate.
Tatawid na po tayo dito. Lalabas po tayo ng gate at sasakay po tayo ng jeep. Tatawid po tayo doon sa kabila. So, ito pong kalsada, pag hindi ka po tumawid, yan po ay papunta po ng bayan po ng Legazpi.